Okay, so New York Thursday session recap. Didn't take anything on live count. I was on the eval. Went into this session. I guess price was bullish. I kind of would have liked a reprice down. You had this bullish fair value. You had these kind of relative equal lows down there as well. I didn't expect price to really reprice lower heavily, but I was looking for some sort of reprice lower. Went into market open and price essentially took the kind of that data wick high, or when price expanded high because of data. You did have a few kind of areas where price expanded earlier. Um, I wasn't essentially looking at the chart, but you had a 2 minute here that worked quite nicely. For example, nothing quite knowing like going into the session opened. We just expanded higher. It's pretty much just a really quick expansion higher. The one thing that I did do, because I was curious about, was this 3 minute inverse fair value gap. I liked it for a short, essentially maybe to take one of these lows inside of fair value, or at least some sort of minor low just for a movement down. What you had is you had a really nice confirmation. This thing kind of went down almost instantly. It took essentially 2 candles for the inverse fair value gap to confirm, and I kind of set a trade up around like this. I was like, okay, this is a really nice kind of price delivery. Price took sell side at the beginning of the New York session, time aligned of course, some sort of liquidity, and you had a 3 minute inverse fair value gap, which was quite a nice confirmation. What happened was that price disconfirmed, it stopped me out. What we did come across is we came across this 2 minute here for longs. I kind of didn't touch it. I kind of liked it for a continuation higher. It looks really nice. I just don't like going long in the premium when prices, especially when prices are at all-time highs. I kind of struggle with that. But yeah, one idea, one eval, didn't work, really small stop. I traded micros on it as well, because I kind of knew it was very low probability. There's no point trying to do much on it. And then the longs, probably should have taken it. I just don't act like that way. Maybe I should be changing. Maybe I could change some small things like that, especially if it's a really clean inverse fair value gap, kind of V-shaped reversal. Possibly can change that stuff, but in that case there, that's what I saw. And yeah.